Burt the bird herds earthworms. He's a genuine cowbird, don't you know? Though the earthworms wriggle and they dance and they squirm, Burt the bird's lasso holds tight and firm, and with a grin and a nod, he leads 'em to the sod. Burt the bird herds earthworms. Now Burt wouldn't hurt a flea. But earthworms are his delicacy. They're delicious and nutritious, and though it may sound vicious, Burt the bird loves earthworms. Now the end of our song's in sight. Let's sing it with all our might. And just in case you haven't heard, there are 5 special sounds for Just take it from Burt the bird. Burt the bird herds earthworms.